Welcome back to Agri Warrior channel. Today we will see Agriculture Current Affairs series part 2 of Current Year. We also provide you questions based on various agriculture subjects that are mentioned here. You can join us on Telegram channel for daily quizzes and you can also visit our website www.agriwarrior.com where you can give quizzes on various subjects and where you can subscribe our website by clicking allow button for getting recent updates on our recent poll. So today we will talk about the following contents. India's first food train, second Meghdut application, third National Research Center of Chiku, fourth KYC setup of first silk processing plant in Gujarat, and fifth the most important world food price. So let's start with the first point. So first we will discuss about India's first food train. India's first food train was launched from Tadipuri railway station in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. Main aim behind launching of first food train was to reduce time as well as cost in fuel in transporting the perishable products from one place to another. In India's first food train, initially banana has been transported to Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Mumbai to export the banana under the trade name Happy Bananas. In Andhra Pradesh, especially in Anantapur and Kadapa district, these are famous in producing the green Cavendish bananas which are mostly exported to other countries. Second, Meghdut application. This application was launched by Ministry of Earth Sciences and Agriculture, whose minister is Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. This application will provide crop and livestock specific weather-based agro advisories to the farmers in local language. For initial purpose, the service would be available in around 150 districts across the country. Information that will be provided in this application will having information regarding the temperature, rainfall, relative humidity and wind speed and its direction. Information will be updated twice a week on Tuesday and Friday. Farmers have to register in the application through their name and location so that they will get the information in their native language. This application is a joint initiative of Indian Meteorological Department, Indian Council of Agriculture and Research and Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. The information that is provided in this application will be easier to understand by the farmers as this will be provided in the form of images, maps, picture so that the farmers can easily interpret about the weather. The information will be more about the information related to the crop and livestock so that it will help the farmers to make around the changes in the day-to-day routine. This application was launched by Dr. Harshvardhan Singh on the Foundation Day of Earth Sciences. Third, National Research Center of Chico. National Research Center of Chico is going to be set up in the center at Palghar in Thane district of Maharashtra, who is known for the production of best chicos around the country. Next news is about KVIC, who has set up its first silk processing plant. The plant has been set up at Surendranagar district of Gujarat at a cost of Rs 75 lakh, in which 60 lakh has been given by KVIC. Patola sari, the trademarked sari of Gujarat, has been considered very costlier, and the reason behind its high cost is that silk that is used to make it is being purchased from Karnataka and West Bengal, from where the silk processing plant is situated. The main reason behind opening this silk processing plant is to reduce the cost of production and to increase the sale of available of raw material for the Patola saris. Let's check some facts about KVIC. KVIC is a statutory body formed in April 1957 under KVIC Act of 1956. It is an apex organization under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises whose aim is to plan, promote, facilitate, organize and to assist the establishment and the development of KVIC in rural areas. KVIC has its head office in Mumbai. Next, most important news is about World Food Prize. World Food Prize has been considered as a Nobel Prize in agriculture. This year in 2020, the award of World Food Prize has been given to Dr. Ratan Lal, who is eminent soil scientist who is Indian born come American scientist. His soil-centric approach in restoring the health of soil in Africa, Asia and Latin America leads to revolution of better yield across the country. Let's check some fact about World Food Prize. World Food Prize is an international award given to the individual who has advanced work for the human development by improving the quality, quantity or availability of food across the world. World Food Prize Organization is located in Des Moines, Iowa, in the United States of America. The cash prize awarded under World Food Prize is around 2,50,000 US dollar. Here are some lists about the Indian scientist who was awarded with the World Food Prize. If you are happy with the video, please press the like button and share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.